this is the point where the water opens. This is the opening from the bank where they open the fence and let water out, and this water flows straight to front of the house by number 11 Obamedo Street. Just imagine what is coming from the bank. Just a bank that's supposed to channel water to the gutter, but the water flows straight to people's house.